Thank you for tuning in to Divine Touch. Today we'll be doing MU2, which is a fairly decent sized aircraft. We're going to dry clean it, which means we use a product on it, then we turn around and wax it. We're also going to do the inside as well. I'll just give you a brief look at it. So stay tuned, and we'll give you a glimpse of the process as we go along. Right now we're underneath the belly of the aircraft, and we're about to apply our products. We're going to clean it off. Doing a little bit of finishing up the top of the plane, and we'll start to move on to the wings. We'll polish the spinners. We have that tail way in the back. A lot of people wonder, how can you do something like this? But you have to be 100% passionate about what you do. And that's what we do at Divine Touch. Just to give you a glimpse of pretty much how dirty, these wings can be. They get extremely dirty in flight. Just giving you a brief look at the spinners. They've actually been polished. As you can see, they look pretty good. So here we are, roughly about 9 hours later. We pretty much got the aircraft fully done, inside and out. So anytime you need us for your aircraft needs, detailing inside and out, give us a call at 757-672-0842, or catch us on the web at www.thedivinetouch.net. Thank you for tuning in.